Hey physiotherapists, welcome to Medcare Bioacademically, your one-stop solution to all the career opportunities abroad. Are you feeling stuck as a physiotherapist in your home country? Low pay, limited growth, no work-life balance? Imagine working in Australia getting a salary of 93,000 Australian dollars, that's like 52 lakh a year. And apart from this, you will get to work in modern clinics, have a better lifestyle, and a possible chance to get a permanent residency in Australia. But the real question is, how do you actually get there? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to become a licensed physiotherapist in Australia from the first application to full registration with AHPRA. So let's break down the exact steps you need to follow as an overseas trained physiotherapist to start working in Australia. So the first step is to apply for an eligibility assessment through the Australian Physiotherapy Council or APC. You'll need to submit your qualifications, transcripts, and a proof of registration as a physiotherapist in your home country. And at the same time, you will be required to complete a cultural safety training module. Now, this helps you understand how to work respectfully with Australia's diverse communities, especially Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Now, it's an essential part of the process. Step number 2 is getting interim certificate. Now, once your documents are verified and the cultural safety training is complete, you will receive an interim certificate from the APC. Now, this certificate means you are eligible to move forward with the written and clinical assessments. Coming to step number 3, which is the APC written assessment. This is a computer-based exam made up of multiple choice questions, testing your knowledge in musculoskeletal, neurological, and cardiopulmonary physiotherapy. It's held 4 times a year, and yes, it does require solid preparation. A lot of candidates choose to take preparation courses at this stage. For example, Academically's APC written assessment preparation course is one of the best out there, structured, strategic, and student approved. Now, step 4 is clinical assessment. So if you pass the written test and you are ready for the clinical assessment, this is a practical exam where you demonstrate your hands-on skills with simulated patients. You will be assessed on your ability to manage real-world clinical situations, explain treatment plans, and make safe decisions. Now, final step is step 5, that is getting general registration with AHPRA as a physiotherapist. Now, after clearing both the written and clinical assessments, you'll receive a final certificate from the APC. Now, it's time to apply for general registration with AHPRA, the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency. Remember, for final registration, you'll also need to submit proof of English proficiency. You can take IELTS, OET, or PTE, whichever you are most acquainted with. Now, once your registration is approved, you're officially licensed to practice as a physiotherapist in Australia. And that's it, your complete roadmap to becoming a physiotherapist in Australia. It's not a short process, but with the right planning and support, it's 100% doable. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe it with fellow physios. And if you have any questions further about the APC process or need help with preparation, drop a comment below or reach out. We are here to help you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care and happy studies. Bye-bye.